In this tutorial, we will explore how Drakkar Animator Events support customizable parameters. We have our character with an animator controller that includes the punching state. Let's add a Drakkar Animator event to it and create a new event schema. We will need the following events: TrailFX and Voice. This time, TrailFX will use a Boolean parameter. On our character, we add a Drakkar Animator Event Manager and select the event schema we just created. We place a trail renderer on the character's right fist and configure it with the color and material of our choice. In the TrailFX event, we add a Drakkar event with the trail renderer action provided in the examples. There's no need to set the Boolean parameter emits because the bool parameter of the event will directly provide data to the Drakkar event. We complete the setup by adding a play audio action to the voice event and configuring its parameters. Now, let's go back to the punching state and add some events. We need to turn the trail renderer emission on and off at two specific points in the animation. Additionally, we want to add a voice effect at the moment of the character's maximum effort. Since our events are not on consecutive frames, we can sort them by clicking Sort. At this point, we can enter play mode and ensure everything works correctly. For more details, refer to the DrakkarEvents documentation.